Hello, everyone. Good day again. My name is Kelechi Uchenna, co-founder and CEO at Nigenius. I'm going to show you how to register as a tutor, a subject tutor on the new Nigenius website. All you need to do is press the solutions drop down and click on tutor sign up, which is the last one at the bottom. You have the option of subject tutor or coding tutor. You choose subject tutor and continue to registration. This is the new form, smooth UI. Input your details, especially your phone number. Tutors in other African countries can now also register. Scroll down, fill all the important information, especially the subjects you can teach. And once that is done, you click on continue to stage 2. Now, in case you fill stage 1 and you have to rush off and do something, you can click the continue to stage 2 button, input your email and click on send verification link. An email will be sent to you to help you complete your stage 2. Thank you very much. Bye.